Hungry in the evenings and you're looking for a snack? Don't go for any fried item. Instead, have this nutritious roasted chana. Just a handful of this is enough to satisfy your hunger pangs. Do you know how simple it is to make at home? You can make it in large quantities and store it so that you can have it at any time of the day. 1 cup of chana. Washed thoroughly. So I washed 3 times. I'm going to soak it and leave it overnight. So it is soaked for 12 hours. I'll drain it. So I'm taking an induction safe cookware. I'm going to add water, salt and turmeric powder. Once the water gets heated, I will add the soaked chana. So I'll just add the soaked chana. It's thoroughly boiled. You can even do pressure cooking for 2-3 whistles if you don't want to boil it. Soaked, boiled and drained, and I have washed once under running water. If you want, at this point you can add more turmeric and salt. I'm not going to add. So now I'll add this. So this is zero oil. I have not added any oil. You can add any spice of your choice like chaat masala or garam masala or whatever you want. I have just made with just plain salt and turmeric, haldi powder. So just halfway, open it. Now I'll reduce it to 160. Did you hear the sound? It's totally done. They also opened up. I'll give some standing time and then I'll open it and show. This is how it is after 10 minutes of standing time. So this is what I got from 1.5 cups of boiled chana. So this is how it was. It's become like this now. And this is the store-bought chana. Look at the difference in color, texture and even the crunch. This is a bit softer, whereas you can see this is very crunchy. You saw that I made it in 20 minutes and I made it earlier and I posted a short video on this, and I could store it for 3 months. The crunch was still there. So why don't you make it at home and compare the two and write to me in the comment section. That would be great. I'd love to hear from you all. So make it and store it like this. This roasted chana is what is used in making sattu powder. So you can imagine how nutritious it is. Did you like this video? Did you find it useful? I only upload videos of recipes which I have tried and tested numerous times, whether it is in the air fryer or the microwave or the induction. So please look out for more videos and come back to my channel for interesting videos. Thank you.